Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss and explore a new platform that enable you to code your Arduino project. It is called Arduinoblocks. So this particular platform is one of the best platform that I could say going to help you to code your Arduino project effectively, especially if you got the module. So let us begin to explore these Arduino blocks. First of all, you can type Arduino blocks. So the full name is arduinoblocks.com, and after that you can click over there, and then you can log in on the top right corner over there, and then you can register if you have not done so. In this case, I already registered before, and then I can log in. So this particular video is just to give you at a glimpse what kind of interfaces and what kind of graphical programming that we can conduct using Arduino blocks. So the first one, we have these three important items. The first one is search project, where you can find a lot of projects that already being conducted by a lot of people around the world. So I believe some of it come from the Spain, and then some of it come from the around the world. So you can just type over here, search, and then all the details are going to be appear in the list of the search project using Arduino blocks. Okay, so you have a lot of blinks over here, the owner, the publication date, and then the numbers of the view. And then perhaps you can also search by the use of the Arduino. Alright, so let me just proceed with my project. Okay, so I have my project over here listed. Some of the project is actually a project that being imported from the other people's work. It's just to study how they code this one. And then we can have a lot of other things such as resources over here. So the resources help you to download the relevant libraries. So you can go to the resource and then proceed with the Arduino libraries. You can download the libraries and then paste the relevant libraries inside your library folder in Arduino directory. Then you can have the Arduino connector. So these Arduino connector are very useful if you want to code inside the Arduino blocks and then proceed with the connection to your Arduino interfaces straight away by not opening your Arduino IDE. But in my case, I found out it is not feasible, and therefore I download the sketches and then open my IDE and then connect through my IDE. And then we have the books and also a free update online book that you can open it and then have a look about this online book. It's very interesting and giving you some idea about what you expect in terms of the Arduino tutorial. And then you can edit your profile, you can manage user, and so on. So let me just open to the new one, which is we call it as a new project. When you click the new project, you have these three interface. The first one, you can start your personal project. The second one, you can make a project for your students. And then the third one, you can set up where the students actually can go visit to your teacher environment. So they require students to enter some code. Let me just pretend to be a teacher. So just click over here, new project for my students, and then I'm going to use the standard Arduino Uno, and then I'm going to interface with the LCD, and then the group is actually the existing group. Let me see. Oh, okay, no existing group over here. So let me just give the group A, and then interface Arduino with Bluetooth and lock inside the mobile phone. So we can just display simple action, example random number. Okay, just give the random number, and then the random number that been generated by our Arduino are going to be sent to the Bluetooth devices, and thus can further being stored inside our phone memory as the CSV file. So this is the component and so on. This is the project code. If you can see here, we have a project code and then enroll limit date. So we can specify a date for our students to fulfilling this project, and then we can create new project. You can see here, this is for the group A, and then this is for the students. So this is the enroll link, and then this is the project code. So it's very interesting, in fact, because the students actually can go and then do something with regard to this link, and also doing something to do with the Arduino. So let me just open up my new browser and then have a look what kind of interface that the students are going to be perceived. So let me just create another one. Okay, never mind. Basically, the students are also able to go inside your project and then have a look to your project and submit their project accordingly. So that sum up everything about the use of these Arduino blocks. In the end, I would like to thank to Juanjo Lopez. Okay, Juanjo Lopez is, I believe, a developer for these Arduino blocks. Congratulations, because the Arduino blocks is one of the very good interface that I believe have the prospect in terms of teaching and learning, and also educating people about physical computing and coding the Arduino accordingly with the sophisticated material, and also interface with a lot of sensor. Okay, so let us have a look in your Arduino package when you go to your project. Okay, when you go to your project, so this is the example of analog input project. You can see that the analog input project have nothing left here, because let me just show you this one, potentiometer with I square C. So this is the example of the analog input. So you have a lots of logic over here, you got a lot of sensor interfaces, and I think it's worth noted that this platform is quite supportive with regard to the most of common Arduino kit available in the market. So we hope that we can discuss a lot of the functions based on this Arduino blocks platform, and then until in the future we can see and then have a look what we can do with this platform. With that, thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.